Hi everyone, Courtney-Ann here, your local realtor. Welcome back to another video. I know it's been a while since you guys have seen my face, but I just wrapped up my first showing at this house behind me, located in Whim Estates. So, safe to say, this property is gonna garner quite a bit of attention. As I said, we just showed it for the first time. So if you guys are watching this video and you want to arrange a viewing and you're interested, go ahead and give me a call at 876-465-8811. It's 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom. We've listed at $90,000, right? It's a brand new house, never been occupied before. So if you guys like the tour, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, join the family. You know the vibes already. If you need real estate updates, here is the place to be. If you have any questions, comment below and I'll try my best to answer them. You can shoot me a WhatsApp message. You can email me also. Whim Estates is one of the prime gated communities here in the Old Harbour area, next to New Harbour Village. Currently they're hand in hand, meaning like you have to get through New Harbour's entrance and then you arrive here. But guys, it's literally 2 minutes from the highway. Like, I'm not even joking, it's 2 minutes from the highway. So guys, go ahead and let me know if you want to live here. And also, just a quick tip, I do see some new houses being built here. So if you're in the market of looking for houses to buy, you might want to give them a call, because I see some houses building at the back here, like they're making additional units. So just a quick tip, all right guys, so enjoy the rest of your day, and as usual, thanks for watching. Alright everyone, let's take a look at this beautiful new home. My client made the investment of grilling their home to make it more secure, and I really appreciated that. The living room is pretty spacious. There's enough for a sofa set and to put your television on the wall. Now let's take a look at my favorite part of any house, and that's the kitchen. Now Whim Estates, I actually like the layout a little bit more. A lot of people say that these gated communities are being done the same, but this is not looking like a Phoenix Park at all. I love the fact that they went with a dark blue cabinetry at the bottom and then white cabinets at the top. And if you notice, there's also a wine shelf on the extreme right. So nothing like Phoenix Park at all. Each development is unique in their own way. Soft close drawers, lots of space, and on the flip side, meaning where you would have the high chairs, there's also additional shelves. Look at how detailed this grill work was. I mean, it was well done. This is how the property looks standing from the back door. And in the midsection between the bedrooms, there is not just a linen closet, but an access point to the bathroom and overhead storage as well. So the bedrooms are on my left and on my right. And just to show you how brand new this property is, the meshes for the windows are not even up yet. So you know you're getting a crisp new home, as Jamaicans would say. Now we're going to take a look at the bathroom area, and then we're going to take a look at the bedrooms. So the bathrooms consist of a tub, a sink, a floating mirror with shelving, and also grilled at the window as well, with soft close drawers and a floating bathroom sink. So this is a simple bathroom layout, very nice, very modern, but also keeping it very simple and allowing you to do your own form of decor. Let's take a look at the front bedroom, also known as the master bedroom. Now this bedroom has a closet space, 2 windows, and the owner will be putting an air conditioning unit in this front bedroom for you, so not to worry, you're going to be having a very cool summer. We know Jamaica can get hot sometimes, so we're willing to accommodate that. We're going to push up this bathroom door and we're going to open up the closet and take a look inside. Guys, please excuse the bandage on my finger. If I ever tell you that story, you're gonna feel sorry for me. Anyways, going back to the closet, here we have plugs on the walls, and then coming out of that bedroom, this is bedroom number 2. Bedroom number 2 has 2 windows, but one of the windows are slightly smaller. Dare I say, the bedroom itself is slightly smaller, but it still has everything that the first bedroom has: windows, closet space, and access to the hallway. The master bedroom had an access door to the bathroom, so I think that's the only difference outside of the windows and the space. Overall, this property was a very wonderful property to tour. The security is tight. Don't ask me how I know. And stepping out through the back door, we see where we have the wash area at the back. My client will be putting an awning here, so don't worry, you're not going to be getting a tan while doing laundry. And the back space is also very spacious. You have the flexibility to do your landscaping if you should rent this property, and also have a play area for your kids. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video.
Oh.